Guys, Vern, jack of all trades, master of none. We're here again doing the repair that we talked about for the Resonator. Let's take a look. Here at AutoZone, we're looking at different sealants for the Resonator. And I think we're going to go with this one for $4.99, muffler oil. We'll give that a try. Okay, so we got the vehicle jacked up just a little bit. We have the muffler weld. All right, I use that to plug the hole or the deficiency. I have a little bit of water because they recommended a little bit of water. We have some abrasive tools, which is steel brush, some sandpaper, and some other abrasive attachments for our drill. So let's get underneath and let's get started. One more thing I forgot to mention is our gloves. Gotta have your gloves. I'm gonna grab some Brillo and take a little bit of sandpaper and get that in the mix. Okay, so it looks pretty good. Let's check the seam. Yeah, we probably want to put some all the way down the line if we have enough. So I'll go ahead and clean. So this product that we're using, it says it works over rusted areas, so we're not going to go crazy with the cleanup here. So we got the product open. Seems to be a paste. All right, so it said to wet the surface, so I'm gonna wet the surface of the Resonator, and then we're just going to start to slide this on. All right. Okay, guys. Here we go with our first dab of this product. Probably should mix it up a little first. Give me 1 second. Okay. Doesn't really need any mixing. It's pre-mixed, so let's just start packing it on. And I want to be sure. To get it everywhere. Or at least I want to make sure that we get it up in the seam where we need it, and then we can always come back and pass to smoothen everything out. Okay, and then I'll get some more and I'll pack it like I told you, all the way down the line. all the way down the line. Okay. Clean it up. Trying to make sure that we get everything. All right, it's looking good. Let's get a little bit more. Sorry guys, I know it's difficult for me to tape this or record this while I'm doing it, but I want to make sure that you get to see this in real time as it's happening. All right, there you go. I'm going to pack on a little more. I don't think we can have too much on here. And basically that's going to be it. I'm just going to smoothen things out, and you could do the same when you're doing yours. And then we're going to leave it so it can dry. So just give me a second. Let's get this done. And then I'll pack a little bit more on the end. I may not be able to show you that part. Okay, so it looks like we got most of it. I'm just going to do a clean sweep across, smoothing everything out. And we're going to leave it like that. Let this dry. Let's see how it looks tomorrow. Okay guys, 24 hours later, this stuff is dry. I can feel it. It's hardening to the touch. I think I covered everything. I'm going to start it up and see what it sounds like. Guys, I think it's a big difference. This is something that we can drive until we're ready to replace this pipe altogether. Okay? Whenever we do that, if we do that, I'll invite you guys in on that video. So we're gonna rock it like this for now. Okay, let me cut this thing off. Alright, until the next one guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and share it around. Thanks guys. Love you guys for watching. Thank you. So guys, I think it's a